On the starting up of your Peugeot 207, if you happen to see the error measured side lamp bulb faulty, or in the middle of the dash the triangle indicating this an error, this can be related to a bad earth on the back of the taillights of the car. You may have checked the bulbs multiple times and they're all fine. Then it's most likely an error with the earth connector to the back of the tail light. It can also show up as left hand side or right hand side brake light or tail light faulty as well. So you need to check these earth connectors on the back of the tail light of the car. The problem resonates from the rear tail light on the Peugeot 207. You just remove this particular screw here, and then the rear tail light just pops out. Now you need to disconnect the cable. So this is the inside of the bulbs for the tail light. This one that's previously had the fault on it, the previous person had already worked out it had a fault, and they actually soldered a wire onto the earth here. They took it back into the earth wire just before the connector of the light. That's how they resolved the problem. So the larger steel around here is all the negative or the earth or the lighting mechanism. All the smaller ones are the positive to the lights. So our problem exists with the negative. So this is the plastic housing that holds all the bulbs. The problem resonates from in here. There's technically 6 connectors along here, but one of them is completely eroded away. So just down here where I'm pushing the little orange stick, there should be another connector there, but there's the earth connector. It's the second one in from the end. It is completely gone over time. That's why you're getting the light error. So this is on the right hand side of the car. On the left hand side of the car I have a very similar problem. Why the error is happening now. Obviously this happened previously and the previous owner has fixed this. Just because you can still see the pin in place like mine is, it still provided a poor earth connection and failed. This is my roadside fix for this, or a workaround. I don't have very many tools available. It's not my best workmanship, but it does the job. The problem is cured, fixed now. So basically I fixed a wire onto the negative earth side of the lighting. I then pulled the wire back through and screwed it to the body of the car, sanded both connections to get a good connection. It has fixed the problem. It's basically taken me about a month of diagnostics to get to this point, so I hope this video helps you to address it a lot sooner than me. Thank you for watching.